guys, me Corey, and today, well, I'm back. And today I'm going to be doing barn chores. Like, I have to clean up my tack, I have to feed horses and water horses and feed the pig. So yeah, because the tack room has kind of became a wreck. Tax has just been putting things everywhere. And we got a new bag of feed, so I can fit it in there. But first I'm gonna go get feed buckets. They were just nickering at me. So we, not all the time, but most of the time, we leave feed buckets for them when we feed at night. So they got left in here. Yeah, y'all need to be watered. Their blankets got put on them at like 10 o'clock at night last night. Dusty, I need to get your feed bucket. Hi, Ems. Muddy girl. Dusty. This is Dusty's favorite time of the day. It's when he's getting fed. Okay. I will see you guys when I get back to the shed. Tack room, whatever you want to call it. Sorry. I almost fell. It's okay. We got this. But yeah. Okay. We're back. Now time to put the new bag of feed in the thing. Yeah. So that's what I do. I set it in here upside down. I wish there was a better angle. Okay, so now y'all are currently in the tub. But set it upside down and it's a bit complicated and I probably look ridiculous doing this. Try not to not grab the camera. And then you kind of just pull the string like it's supposed to be. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna have to get it, or I can grip. I guess I'm not gonna do the upside down method. Well, thanks, bag. Just rip on me then, you know. Sometimes you just say things are a fail nowadays. There we go. So now I'm gonna grab the bottom. And I just set it in the pile. Y'all can't see the feed. Okay. Now time to get their feed in the buckets. Scoopers. Take the tack. Needs to be cleaned. This isn't just a tack room, by the way. Wow, I love it when it does that. This is also like it's our shed, but my dad has like fishing and stuff in here. Tools. So they each get 3 quarts, and I'm gonna get a scoop ready. So, then I'm just going to close it. So Dusty's going to get his supplement, whatever it's called, you know. That was called for his joints because he's not as young as him and stuff. So, Emma, we took her off the Mare Magic because she's getting better. And we ran out, so boy. So I have liquid coconut oil. I have put it in their feeds before. It's more of my summer thing. But I'm almost out because it's spilt in the tap box, so I'm going to need some more of that. But I mainly use it on their mane and tail, and like, I don't use it on their hooves too much because it's really muddy right now. But this summer, that will be a thing. So when Emma was my mom's horse, I always had to do the alfalfa for her. Because she's kind of allergic to it. Not kind of, she's allergic to it. So, yeah. Our alfalfa cubes, these are like how big this is the biggest ones, and then they come this size. It's not too cold, as cold as it normally is, so I don't give them as much. So yeah, let's go give the buckets to the horses. Y'all can travel in Dusty's bucket. Okay, so my mom is turning on the water hose for me. So horses are kind of freaking out because their feed buckets are down here now. But I haven't handed them to them. Thanks, water hose. You're good! Should be. Water trough. It shouldn't fall out. Okay, now time to get them the buckets. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Dusty! So Dusty's short enough, so his goes on the third. And M's goes on the second. She's pretty patient with food. Feeding time, unlike Dusty. She's patient with feeding time and treats. Dusty is the opposite of patient. Not yet! It's her feed is in the scooper waiting for her. So while they eat, I'm gonna feed the pig. Our animals get fed twice a day, especially in the winter. So yeah, down to the pig. Oh, this is gonna be fun. No-handed. One-handed. Tilly. Come on. Hello, girlie. Yeah, good girl. What, Jackson? And he's found the sweet feed. So now we're gonna clean up my mess. Oh, this ought to be fun. I'm just gonna rant to y'all while I clean up. So we just sold my mom's saddle. You know, we only have mine. I'm eventually gonna get a new one because mine is a little big on me and it doesn't fit me. Perfect. So my bareback pad and my saddle will go on the saddle rack now. And then I have a single saddle rack that I'm thinking either I put my saddle on it and put saddle pads on this saddle rack, or what? Yeah, we should just do that. Because I need your camera. My camera to be lower angled. Okay, I think y'all can see this better, but I want to move it somewhere else because it can't be right here. Oh crap. So maybe if yeah. So I'm gonna get my whole winter pack set. Yeah. And set it on this saddle rack. I have a fuzzy tack set. It's teal. Sorry that y'all can't see me right now. You'll live. And I'm knocking things over for me to clean even more. hard it is to get a breast collar for me. So here it is. It came with matching saddle pad and matching cinch. So yeah, and here's my whip. Dusty's a lazy bum. Let's just say that. So I'm gonna hang my breast collar where the bridle will go because I don't want to hang my bridle on it. Take all this rope halter and regular halter and lead ropes up. Set it here. So I'm gonna take the saddle off first. My saddle could use a clean. So yeah, set my saddle here because I want to set the saddle pad down. So here's the saddle pad. Y'all are going to be seeing the back, but it's okay. And the cinch, you can't really see. But my saddle's so much lighter than the one we just sold. Dang, that was an epic fail. Just wish Western saddles were like as light as English saddles. You feel me? No, I've never rode English. It is something I want to try eventually. But currently, too busy learning everything about Western. So, the cinch just looks just like it. Okay, now I'm going to move it back here. Now saddle pads can go here. Ooh, that end of that one was nice and toasty. And my bareback pad on a saddle pad. That's cute. You know? This video is gonna be long, people. So I'm gonna pause. Okay, so I'm done. This video is gonna be a lot longer than most of my videos. Yeah. And so I clean that up. There's my lovely tack set. My bridles are right here. They kind of look like a disaster right now, but it'll be okay. So yeah, now time to turn off the water. Or so I thought it was time to turn off the water. And then Dusty chased him off her food. Now that Emma got her food back, and hopefully Dusty doesn't do it while I go turn off the water. But we're gonna go turn off the water now. I gotta keep a good eye on him, even though the water's behind a building. So, yeah. Bye everybody, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, comment down below if you have any horses and like how many. And yeah, thanks for watching.